river where the waters hum, whispers of wisdom where the voices come. They talk of struggles, of battles fought, lessons of the elders that time forgot. Oh, a river Babylon flows so deep, carry our stories where the spirits sleep, guide our journey through the night and day.